Hi everyone, last view of my ARAI helmet. I'm gonna update it a little bit with some reflective light. Okay, it's a GT Viper. Okay, now this is my helmet ARAI Arakiri, I don't know. After upgrading the style, I put some reflective light here, like silver, blue, silver. Here is the original white. Here silver, white, silver, and like the same here around the shield. I put special stuff on it for the rain. And inside for the fog, I put here also some, so it's continue like this, so it's make like a shape like this for the night. Behind I hide the ARAI because it's not so beautiful and it's reflective now also. Here it's the old reflective system, so now I integrated. This was before LED, now I put a new one LED on the back. I put some chrome tape here to hide the wire. Okay, anyway, it's not so ugly. If you look like this, no one will see the tape. Just if you go so close, you will see. This is the Adiga flag from where I come from. Okay, so this is ARAI GT Viper. Okay, designed by me. I copy no one, I do all by myself. Okay, so also I integrated remote control with LED controller. So when you push in here, you have the LED. Okay, this is at daylight time. Okay, so when you push mode now, you have many style, many stuff you can choose, so it will be connected with my bike, and I think the remote will control my bike and the helmet at the same time. I have two remotes, so I can do different style, but it's better that my helmet and bike they do the same mode. Okay, thank you. If you like, tell me. If you don't like, tell me too. Okay, now I am activating the flash during the light. Okay, so you can see now. Yes, man. It's me again. Okay. Hey, yo, what is this? It's LED. I'm sure you didn't notice when I make video without it. Okay, so now you have, I put low bright. I put red on the back for more safety, and it was blue before. Now I add in here the red, just as I'm a dad. And anyway, so now you have many mode. This is, I put 100 bright, and now I show you the mode. But I'm not Santa Claus. I think it will be good on the highway or around the neighborhood. can adjust the speed